Getting set up and ready to do some crown molding. I'm just using regular baseboard. When you're setting your compound miter saw, make sure this part of the sawhorse is facing you. This is the front of it, the other side is the back. Use that right there. And if this is gone, then you can always use this right there. There you have it. Got it all set. Now we're gonna plug it in. We got power. That's the first cut, and this is my template. Second cut. Okay, I'm using the frame of the saw, but so far the inside cut looks perfect. Now I gotta see if I can get a better angle and check the inside cut. There are two different pieces, so if you can see it, it'll show that there are two different pieces of board, but the cut is perfect. So now I'm gonna go take this and check it and see if I have the cuts perfect for the ceiling, because this house is not square as well. So I have to make modifications and change my angles to match the corners. Alright, there you have it. To get a cleaner cut, I need to shave off a smidge off the back to change the angle on my miter cut. And this is installing crown molding just using regular baseboard or just regular lumber. The next angle is perfect. Can't argue or beat that. Doesn't get any better than that. That's what you want right there. Not even a piece of paper can get in there. First piece just got cut. Trick now is to get that piece to this piece, the measurement from this end to that end by myself. Got it. Got the first measurement. 116.6. There you go. There you go. And if you see it sagging from the ceilings, because I'm not in a position to push it all the way up to the ceiling, because it's way too long. It's 9 feet plus. There's a little technique or trick on how to get it up here, because you got to cut it a little bit longer than the measurement that you need, and for it to go in, you have to flex it or bow it, turn it into like a bow. Take one hand, pull the middle out, and then stick the end in. Got it up, all four. Subscribe to the channel. Help us get more views. Join in, tune in, like, share, comment, subscribe.